Hey guys, you need to watch this video until the very end. The sketchiest, most scariest thing I've ever done in my 6 years happened today, at the end of my day. So make sure you watch it to the end. Good morning, guys. It's me, Daniel, again. Y'all be riding with me for the duration of my day today. Want to start off by saying, hope every one of y'all had a great weekend. My weekend was okay. Would have been a whole lot better if the Longhorns wouldn't have lost to Georgia on Saturday night. But other than that, I was with my boys all weekend. My loving mother's birthday was yesterday, so we celebrated that. Had all the family over. So it was a great weekend. Most of the weekend, me and my boys were at my best friend Adam and Leslie's house playing with their son Asen and hanging out with them. Pretty much what we do every weekend. Went and got our haircut, looking fresh for the most part. But yeah, today y'all be riding with me. Like I said, I hope y'all had a good weekend. I have 3 pickups. One here in Ennis, one in Waxahachie, and then one in North Dallas. GPS says we should get done around 3 p.m. after picking each one up and dumping it, but
yeah, we're fucked, bro.
I doubt that. Should be a little bit earlier than that. If we end up on the road till 3 p.m., that means we had run into some issues or problems along the way. So hopefully we don't and we'll have a good day. Alright, so I'm pulling up to my first location. So I'll walk you kind of how I go about picking up these containers. I can see my container over here to the right. I got open space in front of it, so it should be real easy to pick up. So let's go. I always try to find the quickest way to get to this container, so I found it. I'll reverse up to it. Engage this PTO. So now I got it hooked. Like I said, I'm going to go double check everything, make sure everything is good. Not everybody does, but I always like to peek over the top and see what's in, so I can see if anything might fly out on the highway once I tarp it, and if so, I'll push it in. But this one looks good. So let's pull it on the truck. Remember, 3 points of contact. Make sure it's lined up on my rollers. And she is on. We will tarp her. Normally I would have a hard hat on, but with the hook system, it has this locking mechanism that locks it in place. So you don't have to get your winch bar and strap it down and get up under the container and bump your head on accident. Normally I'd have a hard hat, but with this type of system, it's really not needed. So, it's on the truck, tarp down. Let's head to Skylight and dump this bad boy. What in the... So I can put you on YouTube. I got a whole cameraman in there and everything. Mic right here, 2.19 tons. Let's go dump this bad boy. God. Hey, trying to get on YouTube?
What's up? What's up? This your boy Go Flex, man. We out here in the landfill. We getting to that bag. It's a whole lot of trash and shit, but we out here getting this money for real. If you laying on your ass, on your couch, you better go get your CDL, boy, so you can get this money. Get to this bag, you hear me? Real talk, man. Dallas, Texas on the map. Shreveport, Louisiana on the map. We out here getting this money, man. Let's go.
We say that. We're here at our third stop.
Mid-80s tomorrow.
North Dallas.
As we go into Wednesday and Thursday. Toward medium.
This container looks like it's 3/4 empty. But like I said, when I go check my latch and chains, I'll double check just to see what's in there. Oh, let me go check my latch. It's less than halfway full, but so good. This customer requests that we keep this container off their pea gravel driveway, so I will slowly pick this one up and drive up under it so those back wheels do not hit any part of that pea gravel. Normally I can put it in neutral and it'll pull me up under it, but since there's hardly anything in it, it's not going to do that. So I'll reverse, pick up the can a little bit, reverse. Let's roll. .65 tons. Not bad at all. It's surprising for how empty it was. David dropped that. About as deep. Barely anything in here. Let's see. Oof, there it goes. Some black boys right there, huh? Perfect. Drop this, shut this door, and let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. She's not the cheating kind. I'm cheating too many times. Clean them trees up, boy. About to beat somebody with it. Nah, I'm just kidding. Oh, no, that thing is in there. Hopefully the tarp goes over that. Cause that thing is in there. Only one way to find out though. I don't know about this at the landfill. I do not know about this one at the landfill. You want to say something on YouTube? Don't be shy. Woof. 12.83, almost 13 tons, bro. Yeah, that's gonna be a good one. Well, not for me, but I knew it was heavy when that back end dropped down. But that customer probably not gonna be a happy camper whenever they see this $665 overage fee come their way. It's pretty steep.
Us and all our subscribers.
Watching this, watching me lay an egg. Yeah, we're fucked, bro. Yes, this girl. Hey! Say, do you have like somebody with a backhoe that can kind of take some of that shit out? It's I guess they loaded it heavy on that side, so whenever I lift it, it's fucking leaning. Okay. You gonna call somebody? He said, man, I don't know, let me call and see.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Well, he said to hold on, so he probably... that he's coming. I don't know where he wants me to go though, so... Now it's flat on this side, you see? With the thing. Yeah. It was because of how uneven it was loaded. Yeah, on this side. Like now you see how it's flush? Wasn't like in that little... Yeah. Yeah. Nothing but dirt. Oh yeah.
It's really good. My heart's not stopping every time.
5 years of doing this. I've never had a can try to tip over like that. First time I've ever had to get help, but it happens. And this container's empty now. And it is crazy AF that happened. But, whew, didn't expect to be here for 45 minutes. But it is what it is. I ain't got nothing but time. Nothing but time. There he goes, the Savior. Should call him Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
Golly. Alright, so that was the end of my day. Just got back to the yard. Day's complete. Ennis, we went to Ennis, picked up, dumped it. Ended up having a delivery in Garland. Picked up another one in Dallas. Dumped it, brought it back. Went and picked up this 40-yard. Picked it up with ease, as you can tell. Got to the landfill. Probably the most sketchiest dump I've ever did in my 6 years of doing this. Containers started leaning sideways because they loaded it uneven. But 45 minutes later, we dumped it and we're back here. Safe day. Going home the same way I came. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. I know there wasn't a lot of safety. I went over safety the first time y'all rode with me. But y'all got to ride with me again. There wasn't much interacting with customers because every location, nobody was home. So it is what it is. It happens like that sometimes. But thank y'all for riding with me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button at the bottom. Also, that Lone Star Dumpster Showcase is coming soon, November 11th and 12th in Rome, Texas. So please don't forget to buy some tickets and attend the showcase. And that'll be it for today. Until next time, peace out. Have a blessed day.